Hey guys, we're going to show you how to do the window today. Okay, the way you're going to start off this move, guys, you're going to be in a two-hand hold and you're going to go into a double overhand slide. You're going to let go with your left, slide and grab your partner's right like you're shaking hands, and then you're going to turn your left hand upside down. You're then going to spin your partner twice and make sure you're not death gripping your partner's hands so that your hands can rotate. Because on the second turn, you're going to lift up your right hand and the left and then pull the right down, and that makes the window. You can walk around for a bit if you'd like. When you're ready to switch, you'll let go with the right hand, hold on to the left, reach under and spin your partner to the right, then bring your left arm down. To finish the move, you'll spin your partner with both hands to the left twice over her head, then place them over your head, and she'll push off.